Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to block 18 plus content in Google Chrome. It's essential to create a safe browsing environment for ourselves and our loved ones. So let's start the video. To block adult websites in Google Chrome, open your Google Chrome browser. And on the top right corner of the screen, click on three dots. From the menu, click on Settings. In Settings, on the left panel, click on Privacy and Security tab. Now scroll down and click on Security. In Security Settings, scroll down and under Use Secure DNS, check the second options, which is with, and then select CleanBrowsing Family Filter. So click on it. Now restart your Google Chrome browser. And all adult websites will be blocked. So that's it. You have successfully blocked 18 plus content in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more updates.